Hey there, my name is London, and I'm here to teach you about the letter Y. Let's get going. This is the letter Y. Ready to learn what sound the letter Y makes? To make the letter Y sound, you'll start with your mouth open, with your tongue coming up to touch the roof of your mouth, and then you'll open your mouth even more when you let the sound out. Like this. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Go ahead, give it a try. Good job. Now let's look at some words that start with the letter Y sound. Yak, yam, yarn, yell, yoga. Those words all start with the letter Y sound. Let's say those words together. Yak, yam, yarn, yell, yoga. Good job. Now it's time for a quiz. I'm going to say a word and you get to tell me if that word starts with the letter Y sound. Here's an example. If I were to say yawn, yawn, and then ask you if it starts with the letter Y sound, you would say, yep, yawn does start with the letter Y sound. But if I were to say the word octopus, octopus, and then ask you if it starts with the letter Y sound, you would say, nope, octopus does not start with the letter Y sound. Okay, it's time to start the quiz. Here's your first word. Yogurt. Does yogurt start with the letter Y sound? Yep, yogurt does start with the letter Y sound. Now for your second word. Yard. Does yard start with the letter Y sound? Yep, yard does start with the letter Y sound. Let's try that one more time. Astronaut. Does astronaut start with the letter Y sound? Nope, astronaut does not start with the letter Y sound. Good job. Thanks for joining me today to learn about the letter Y sound. See you later.